Okay, in this simple example, we want to create this project. Okay, in this project, we have an emitter that emits and then trace it. And in the tracer, we assign the turbulence forces to turbulence it, and then sweep the tracer. And you can create such interesting things with the tracer and combine the emitter and our turbulence. And the tracer that is in a MoGraph. Let's do that. Okay, for beginning, we need the emitter in simulation. We need the emitter to emit some particle. And if you play, as you can see, the emitter emit from this direction. So we need to rotate it 90 degrees and go to the emitter properties. We need more particle and stop emission more in 300. And change the frame exactly 300. Now that's nice. And we want to add tracer to this emitter. You can deselect or select it. MoGraph tracer. And you have to go to the tracer, as you can see, tracer link, and link the emitter to that tracer. And now if you play, as you can see, the emitter will be traced. Make a tail. And we need to give the emitter forces. Which forces? You can assign, go to the simulation, turbulence forces. In the turbulence forces, as you can see, it's little, we need more turbulence. Yeah, more. Yeah, like it. Yeah, this is nice. And I want to give this tracer, the tracer is a spline, okay? You can assign the sweep to that. You can simply go to the sweep. For example, sweep a circle. Change the radius to the smaller number. And I want to sweep this circle on a tracer. And that's nice. If you want to make it a little thinner, and if you want to the end of the sweep make it sharper, you can go to the sweep in a detail. This is on a scale of end. As you can see, you can simply make them sharper. And now if you play, we have this interesting effect. Nice. Okay. Hello my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.